Baby, talk to me. What's going on?
Excuse me, please. Drop it. I'm not here for that. You know, the way you call me baby these days, I don't get it. Anyways, I came here to say my mind. I mean, a piece of my mind.
Oh, really? Baby, what is it? Talk to me. What have I done?
This nonsense we are having is over. I'm done, like done and dusted.
Baby, what are you talking about?
Why did you keep calling me baby and now you're getting me irritated? Why do you keep calling me baby?
Because you're my baby.
You know, this baby you keep calling me is really getting me irritated. You keep opening your mouth, baby, like a ceiling fan. What is wrong with you? Now you listen to me. This nonsense, it's done and dusted, like I said. It's over.
Lucy, what are you talking about?
No, tell me, how long have we been dating? A year? Nothing meaningful has come out of it. And you tell me I'm your baby. Do you know the definition of a baby? Do you know?
Can you stop this joke already?
No, all I'm good at is opening my leg like what? The expressway. I am done with this nonsense. What's this? Oh, please.
Come on, baby, now.
Can you stop calling me baby? I don't like it coming from you.
Can you just listen to me?
Listen to you? If you want me to listen to you, come and see my father.
We have to talk first. Let us talk.
We have been talking for over a year. Yet, nothing meaningful came out of it. So if you want us to talk, you know what to do. Don't. If you touch me again, I will punch your face. He goes.
She's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky and creepy. She takes you on now.
Do you know sometimes I just feel like I'm the luckiest girl. Yes, I am telling you. Dan is such a nice one. It gives me this fulfillment. It just feels like I have gotten everything I ever wanted in life. Dan is such a nice young man, and he just basically does everything effortlessly to make me happy.
I'm so happy for you. I mean, look at how you're glowing, smiling. Oh, Dan. I'm happy for you. Finally, it's not like that's your useless ex.
I beg. Which one be ex? They're talking good story. They're talking about the living. You're talking about the dead. Which one is ex?
Put a smile on your face now.
My darling, did you see the things he bought for me the last time?
That is rich.
The kind of money Dan spends at that shopping mall.
Like he practically bought the whole mall for you.
Do you know, at a point I was like, okay, babe, it's okay. Can we leave this for some other day? At least he will come back to me. He was like, no, I want you to pick the whole shopping mall down. My darling, he was...
I see what you're doing for others. So. At least this your grace now is going to flow down to Sister Lucy and I. And we'll find our own perfect gentleman. Like Dan.
Amen. But my sister, mind waiting you, the God when. Oh. They mind...
No. I tap into this one because Dan, from everything you've been saying, he's a nice person.
Yeah,
he showers you with
gifts. He is everything. I don't think I need any other man. I don't think I need any other. Even when I with my sisters, I don't think I need una again. No, but really, I do love him. He's a good man. And I just thank God for his grace. It makes me happy.
I'm happy. You're happy?
Thank you. Girl!
Alright, so
tomorrow, Jesus' fiance will be here to see Daddy. That means both of them might get married pretty soon. And I, Lucy, will still remain in my father's house? Never. All her bragging and praises will come to reality. Do you know, sometimes I just feel like I'm the luckiest girl. Yes, I am telling you. Dan is such a nice woman. it gives me this fulfillment. It just feels like I have gotten everything I ever wanted in life. Dan is such a nice young man, and he just basically does everything effortlessly to make me happy.
I'm so happy for you. I mean, look at how you're glowing, smiling. Oh, Dan. I'm happy for you. Finally, it's not like that your useless ex. I
beg. Which one be ex? They're talking good story. They're talking about the living. You're talking about the dead. Which one is ex?
Put smile on your face now.
My darling, did you see the things he bought for me the last time?
That is rich.
The kind of money Dan spends at that shopping mall.
Like he practically bought the whole mall for you.
Do you know, at a point I was like, okay, babe, it's okay. Can we leave this for some other day? At least he could come back to me. He was like, no, I want you to pick the whole shopping mall down. My darling, he was... I
see what you're doing for others. So. At least this your grace now is going to flow down to Sister Lucy and I. And we'll find our own perfect gentleman. Like done.
Amen. But my sister, mind waiting you the God when oh. They mind.
No. I tap into this one because Dan, from everything you've been saying, he's a nice person.
Yeah,
he showers you with
gifts. He is everything. I don't think I need any other man. I don't think I need any other. Even when I with my sister, I don't think I need una again. No, but really, I do love him. He's a good man. And I just thank God for his grace. It makes me happy.
I'm happy. You're happy?
Thank you. Girl!
I have always known that Tessie must not be trusted. She must have shared our discussion with Cheesy. They were almost mocking me. Cheesy. You think you are a child of grace, while I am not. Okay. We shall see.
She's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way, and she feel no remorse, 'cause she is so dangerous. Oh, hey. Heart is bitter. She got no human sympathy. She has no atom of love. Oh, she's so dangerous. Hey, so dangerous. Hey. What kind of human will have the mind to betray her own blood for selfish desires? What sort of human will take her time to plot so much evil? She's dangerous, alright, so dangerous.
You look amazing. Thank you. You didn't tell me you were this good.
Right. You're so beautiful.
Thank you, Dad. This makeup is nice. It just feels like it's my wedding day. I mean, when is he coming? This is 2 p.m. What's going on? He should soon be here because he called me some minutes ago. I mean, we should know what this guy looks like, right?
He's so lucky to have this beauty as his wife to be.
Madam, where is your dress? Okay, wait a minute. He's calling. I think they're here. There's no need for me to take this call. Let's just go and get my dress. Where is her dress? Stand up and get the dress. To answer him, I'm sure they're at the gates. Just get my dress quickly. You're too slow. That's my problem. You're too slow. Huh?
No one's here.
I'm the gate and check if there's anybody parked outside here.
Okay, ma.
My friend, run!
Okay, ma.
Did you see anybody?
There's nobody there.
Did you check very well?
Yes, I did. Nobody there.
Sister, you see why I was telling you to pick his call that time? We don't know why he was calling.
Oh, shut up! I think you should call him.
Yes.
Okay. Switched off.
Switched off. How?
I think you should try again. Probably it's network.
Call me again.
What are you still doing here? Why are you standing there like a moron? Out!
Nonsense. I said
Switched off.
you want to say what?
Switched off.
Why? Olo, please, can you just leave this place?
It's not you.
Leave here! What is wrong with you?
Sorry.
His number is switched off.
Switched off. I thought he called some few minutes.
Try
his
again,
other
try
line.
again. It's network. Try again. Don't give up that way. You don't have to give up.
Are you done cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you dished the food yet?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, don't do it until we see the guests.
Okay, ma'am.
Come back here. Excuse you the hell out of me. Where is your chef heart? Are you trying to tell me that you were cooking our meal with your tacky looking hair? Where is your hygiene? Idiot. Get out.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Come back here. Am I the one you were looking at like that?
No, ma'am.
Were you looking at me like that? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Shoot. Now get out.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Need to it.
Hey, she's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way, and she feel no remorse, 'cause she...
Okoro have been shouting since you're not hearing it.
Eh? If you want to call me, one can one feel. But I was now. Why are you calling my name? I'm in China.
Calm down now.
As this now, calm down, man. You try to call my phone. One can one feel, but you know, Okoro. I'm in China. Call my name properly, for God's sake.
Down. I've heard you.
You're still making the thing worse, though. You're making it worse by asking me to calm down. Call my name Okoro, proper Igbo boy. At his name Okoro. What is your problem with Okoro?
I'm not here for all these things, Okoro. I'm not here for all these things. Well, I wanted to tell you that the visitors are not here yet. Did you see any? Did you see anyone?
Ndidi, do you know you're nothing but a cheap gossip? Was that the reason why you're disturbing me? Shut up. Make you pound the form. I slap it back to your maternal home. Wait. You left your duty post to come and tell me that were you expecting any visitor? Ndidi. Were you expecting any visitor?
Hey! Nekwan Okoro. Ordinary gate man. You are calling me a gossip. Okoro, I don't have your time. But
Shut up. Shut up. There is no but.
Now. Hold on. I thought.
Say it properly. What are you thoughting? Say it like an Igbo girl. Not saying you say. What are you saying?
But Oga and his daughters are expecting a suitor. Are they not?
You see the reason I always call you is gossip. Cheap one for that matter. International cook, pepper rice. So you left your duty post with your 2 tiny legs to come and tell me that Oga and her children are expecting visitor. Nkeji bronye no nana. No see in a siari na ebim is
no wahala.
Get out.
No problem. All this your oversabi attitude. Kinenyem muabundidi. No problem.
Chai.
We shall see. From today,
Chai.
Okoro, Kochalia, from today henceforth, you'll be eating half plate of food. Now half plate.
Come now, let me take. Come, Didi. You're a mad woman. Because of food, you're threatening me with your poison. From today is half plate. Half plate.
Lucy has not called me since the last time that she came here. What is the problem? I understand how she feels, but I need time to plan my life too. I need time. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Like seriously? Since when did that one start?
What if I was not around?
I will wait. I'll wait for you. Yeah. What? Are you okay? Did anyone provoke you?
I am fine.
You dare not walk out on me like that. You have to answer my question.
What is wrong with you? Why are you troubling me?
Am I troubling you? Wait, did you just say that? Am I troubling you?
It's obvious you have nothing to say. You can as well leave now if you have nothing to say to me.
Wow! So you are throwing me out of your house because of that idiot I saw in your phone. You are making a great mistake if you think I will let you mess up my life.
What exactly are you talking about? Oh, you are threatening me in my house.
Ikenna, when I met you, you had nothing. I gave you the contract that made you who you are today.
What nonsense contract are you talking about?
Do I need to remind you? No! Do I need to remind you? You are very ungrateful, irritating, disgusting and disappointing. The day I will set my eyes on that fool, trust me, you won't expect what you will see. Up till now, Chizi's fiancé has not come, and his phone is still switched off. What could be the problem? I hope that this girl called Cheesy is really telling us the truth. Something is not alright somewhere.
Don't understand what is going on. At least if something was wrong, he would have used somebody's phone to call me. Why is he doing this? I don't even know what to say. I don't know what is happening.
Jeez.
Dad.
Have you called his number again?
Daddy, his phone is still switched off.
She has been calling. That's what we've been doing. The number is switched off. We don't even know what to do again.
Are you sure the first time you spoke with him, you heard him properly?
Daddy, I heard him. I heard him perfectly. What I don't understand now is why his phone is turned off.
It's alright. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm sure whatever happened, he'll be here before the end of the day.
Before the end of the day?
Father, do you know what time it is?
Daddy, when is the end of the day? It's 5:30 p.m. already and you're still talking about end of the day. When is he supposed to come here?
Cheesy. Are you sure you told us the truth? Wait, are you sure you told us the truth? Are you sure?
What do you mean, am I sure if I told you the truth? Were you not there when I took his call?
Oh yes, I was there. I mean, we were there, but we heard just your voice, but we didn't hear his voice. That's the thing. I've been trying to place it. I don't know. Are you sure? Are you sure? Huh?
Jesus Christ. Are you doubting me or something?
Am I doubting Thomas? How can I doubt you? I'm not doubting you.
It's okay. It's okay. Like I said, whatever happened, by the end of the day, we will know. Okay? We don't need to waste our breath over this.
Okay, Daddy.
Sister, how would you be saying such things here now? It's not right now.
Daddy.
Look, I'll be inside, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
As we wait for him.
I'll be with you right about now. I'm just trying to, do you know that people can actually not understand this?
Sister, this is not the right time for
She could be lying. That I was saying the truth. You're shouting at me? Do you realize I'm your elder sister?
Sister, this is
If
not
I
right now.
conquer your sense, you will not see tomorrow. I'm telling you. Tell us the truth. I mean, come on. I had to put on my best outfit, my makeup. I had to do a professional touch for this occasion. Huh? Look at you. Tell us the truth. Let's always say the truth at all times. I'm just saying. You know.
Did you say something like this at this kind of time?
If I slap you, you sweat. Goats. These two, I think they're up to something. But I'll find out. They are not in this house. Where could they have gone to? So Cheesy and Tessie are walking hand in hand. They are now walking hand in hand. It's all right. I am here. I am waiting for them.
Lucy.
Oh, Dad.
How are you?
I'm okay.
How are you?
Very well.
Where are your sisters?
They went out.
Okay, but are you aware whether she has gotten in touch with that young man on phone?
Dad, I don't know. Dad, I think you should call Cheesy to order. The young man in question might be fake. Yeah.
Lucy, how could you just conclude like that? Huh?
Dad.
Look, it's possible that they had some issues or something happened on their way to this place.
What if it's all a charade? What if there is no man? You might never know, Dad. You might never know. What if she's not telling us the truth?
What do you mean by not telling us the truth? What truth are you talking about?
She is.
Who be that?
Please, I want to see Dan.
Oh,
yes.
my Oga.
Yes.
He's not around. He went out with his friend.
Sorry, but this is friend. Is he a man or a woman?
A man.
Tessie, I have both lines. I have been calling him, both lines are switched off.
Maybe he has another number that we can reach him with. Does he have another line?
You can try his email. If line no go, email can
Listen, I can't, there's no other line for me to call. I am just going to sit here and wait for him until he comes back.
And you cannot wait for him here now. Let's go home.
How do you expect me to sit here and be relaxed? Tessie, I'm going to wait for him until he comes back. If you cannot wait with me, you can go.
Ma, excuse me. Please. Our guy is not around. So if you want to wait, you can come join me here. Please, you respect. I beg. I don't want to miss my brother. I beg. But I can borrow you my share. Are you staying there?
Okay. All right then.
Thank you. Tessie. We're worried. Where have you been with your sister?
What happened?
We went to his place.
Whose place?
Her fiance's place.
You mean both of you left this house without telling me or your elder sister? Why?
Okay, so what happened?
We went there and he was not around. We saw the gate man. The gate man told us that he left exactly the same time he called Cheesy. We waited for him and he still did not show up. His line is still switched off as we speak.
And talking about Cheesy, where is she?
She's outside.
Outside doing what?
She's not herself. I think you should even talk to her. I don't even know what to say.
Wait. She's not herself. But you left this house. I wouldn't have allowed her to leave this house if she wasn't cool with herself. Huh? Now go and get her for me.
Go and fetch her. Did you see what I've been saying? You see what I've been saying?
I didn't need to see you inside. Tessie, please. I just need to be all by myself right now. I just need to clear my head. Please.
Come and see him first.
Tessie, can you just do exactly what I told you to do? Tell him I need to be by myself.
Cheesy. You need to take things easy. At least by tomorrow we can find out what is really going on. Just
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. What if he doesn't show up tomorrow? How do we find out what is going on? How?
Are you wishing that by tomorrow we'll still not hear from him?
Tessie, you've seen how everything has played out. Please, just let me be. Please.
Looking for my girl. She in?
Yes.
Cheesy.
Yes, she's in.
What happened? I tried reaching you the whole of yesterday. I couldn't get you on the phone. Is everything okay?
I'm sorry about that. We got attacked by robbers yesterday. They shot me.
What?
Yeah. Well, it's not really that intense. At least I've treated it.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. I kept calling the phone and it was saying switched off.
They robbed us everything. I was lucky to have this car with me. They tried to move it, but the security, so they left it for us.
Oh.
Meet my friend Jazzy.
Oh, hi. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm truly sorry. My bad. Please, you guys should come in.
Okay, for sure.
Please come.
Cheesy's fiancé is here at last.
You're joking?
I'm not joking. He's downstairs.
Lucy, you need to see this guy. He's so handsome, he's so fresh. Come down, hurry up and come downstairs, okay? I'll be with Chizzy in a room. Hurry up, you need to see him.
He's very handsome. Now she will start bragging all over the place.
My son, we thank God for saving your life.
Thank you, Chief. Please, I'm sorry for the disappointment yesterday.
It wasn't your fault. Look, it's not your fault. It's not your fault at all. You are most welcome to my house.
Hello. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You must be Dan.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Finally, this is my eldest daughter. Her name is Lucy.
Oh,
Yes.
Lucy.
Likewise.
Nice to meet you.
What happened to your hand?
We got robbed yesterday.
Oh.
That's why we couldn't make it.
Oh. I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
Who is he? Your friend?
Oh, yes. My friend Jazzy.
Jazzy. I like the name.
Oh, thank you, beautiful.
Dad, have you offered them anything?
Oh yes, I've instructed Ndidi to get him something.
Oh, that's nice. You are welcome. We're hospitable people, good people, calm people.
Chief,
Calling me? Why exactly is this person calling me? Please, I don't need this, I beg. I don't need this. Your time has expired. What is it? What's all this nonsense?
Why is she not picking up her calls now? Eh? This is no longer funny. She has even switched off her phone. What kind of thing is this now? Eh? Lucy, why are you doing this now? Eh? I think I'll have to go to her place and see her parents that she wants. That's what I'm going to do.
Cheers, man! Cheers, cheers, cheers! Congratulations to you, bro! It is a done deal. Woo!
The next thing now is to commence with the marriage plans, and No time.
So quick?
Do you
This man,
know my mom has been on my case to get married. And now that everything is settled, what else am I waiting?
This man! Are you this desperate?
There's no time. Same goes to you. You have to start getting ready.
Danny man, let me shock you now like high tension. I have started my own already.
So you've started hiding things. At least I'm very transparent now. If you have someone now, you should tell your friend now.
Brother man, all thanks to you, bro. As a matter of fact, I owe you a bottle of Four Cousins. Because I saw something. I saw something that caught my attention at the place you took me. My God.
Caught your attention?
Yeah?
How?
Who else am I talking about? If not Cheesy's younger sister. Damn! This girl is fine! This girl is an epitome of beauty. This girl is just an angel that escaped from heaven. My brother, this girl enjoy my heart. Brother man, this girl enjoy me. My brother me, I'm in love, bro.
You just saw someone today, you're already in love.
One what a maka, bro. What a maka, bro. Jiteko maka, this girl enjoy me. Hey!
Hi, Dan. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Nothing much. Do you live around here?
Oh, no. I just came for a business meeting.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing here?
I came to see a friend, but I'm looking for a cab.
Okay, come in. Let me drop you up.
You want to drop me off?
Oh, yeah. Why not?
Thank you so much. Ooh, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I have your number, please?
My number?
Yes. I want to discuss something with you later.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. All right. See you later.
What exactly does she want to talk about, and why didn't she collect my number from Cheesy, her sister? Anyways, until she calls.
I'm good.
Okay. I'm very sure you're surprised why I'm here.
Well, Not really.
Okay, that's fine. I came because since the last time I visited, you promised you were going to call. You never did, so I had to come back myself.
Yes, I remember. I didn't call because I still need more time to think about this issue. Yes.
Chief, what time again do you need to think about this issue for? Eh? Time they say wait for nobody. Eh? The earlier you do this, the better it is for our family.
My sister, I need the whole time in the world to think about this issue. Yes, and there is so much to think about. As a matter of fact, this issue is not tops in my scale of preference. So, let me think, because I've not even made up my mind as to whether to marry another wife or not. So give me time.
Are you saying you want to end up without a male child?
I never said so. I have not told you that.
Let me understand what you're saying.
Look, I need a male child, yes. But I want to be careful. I want to tread with caution so that I don't make the mistakes I made in the past. Okay? Moreover, my daughter Chizzy is mounting pressure on me to bring back her mother.
What? Chief. Wait. You want to bring back who? Christy? The woman that almost killed you? No. She cannot come back to this house.
Did I tell you I am bringing her back? Did I tell you that? Huh? And by the way, why is it that you trying to raise your voice at me?
I'm not raising my voice. The whole thing is this.
What are you talking? We are only two here and look at you. What is it now?
My point is that you do not allow your daughter, don't allow your daughter to deceive you. That is my point. A woman that almost killed you, you want to bring her back to this house. Why?
Okay, it's okay. I didn't tell you I'll bring her back. It's okay. I don't want this discussion to continue. Alright? But one thing I can assure you is that if I want to marry another wife, you'll be the first person to know. Okay?
If I don't hear from you, trust me, I will come back. Because we need a male child to continue our lineage.
It's okay, I've heard you. Your wahala too much. Drink.
This is how you write.
I'm not getting married yet. Your wahala, eh?
I want to have look at me, I am not in the house. You.
What is keeping you?
Chizzy! Where are you going to?
I'm meeting Dan's parents today, so he's coming here to pick me up.
Yes. No, you did not tell me.
I am sorry, it skipped my mind.
So if I did not ask you, you will not tell me. It's because I'm asking you now, you're telling me.
It doesn't got you to the point of. I just said it skipped my mind and I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Tessie is going with you.
No, I'm not following her. She's going alone. She's not.
Okay. It's okay. It's alright. What is keeping him? He ought to have been here by now.
He should be on his way. Relax.
You want me to relax?
I can't be relaxed. It's my
D-Day.
I get to meet his parents like I'm nervous.
Oh my God.
Should I call him? Okay. I won't call. I should maybe call his other line.
Relax.
Okay. I'm relaxed.
So Mom, Dad, she's the one.
I see.
Her name is Chizzy.
Oh, Chizzy.
Chizzy meets my parents.
You're welcome. You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, Ma.
Dan has really thought about
just be blessed.
Okay. Is she the first daughter?
No, she's the second.
What about her mother?
She's fine.
Yes, my mother is fine.
Rose, let's welcome our visitors first. Huh? This discussion can come later.
It's okay. Excuse me. I'm coming back.
You are welcome, my dear.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's just like you.
Yes, like father, like son.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you have a really nice place here.
We thank God.
The dining is set. Let's go inside. Dan,
Okay, ma'am.
Chizzy.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's go inside.
I'm really hungry.
All right. You told us you have gone to see her parents. How could you have done that without informing us?
But Mom, there's nothing there. This is like the early stage.
Everything is wrong with it. What do you know about her family? Tell me.
She's from a good home, Mom. She's from a responsible family. And her father is a nice man. That I'm very sure.
Have you seen it? You keep talking about her father. What about her mother? What do you know about her too? She's the one you should focus on because most girls are true colors of their mother.
Well, Mom, this whole thing is a gradual process. I can't know every member of their family just like that. I have to take it easy, okay? So besides, she's the one I'm getting married to, not the mother, okay? But I know she's from a good family, Mom, and the girl in question is a nice girl, like a homely girl. She's responsible.
I hope she's a nice girl, as you said, because I don't want us to make mistake.
Mom, she is. Trust
There's
me.
this strange feeling I have. I can't explain it. Immediately I set my eyes on her. So, try to be sure of what you're saying.
Mom, I'm very sure of what I'm saying, okay? I think you're having that feeling because I didn't tell you before going, but overall, she is the kind of girl you definitely like in the future.
She knows how to cook.
Yes, very well. As a matter of fact, I'm going to invite her one of these days to come cook for you.
Are you sure?
Mom, don't be scared.
It's okay, no problem.
Love.
If I let you go, what is the exercise with the mask? Leave them. If I use this mask, I will use it to mask you. I cannot do anything to her. Just leave me alone. Leave me. If I leave the road, leave me alone. What's wrong with you? I will kill this man. I'm going to deal with her. I will deal with her. Leave me alone. What is wrong? Yes, baby, take it from her. Take it from her. You. I'm not done with you. I will kill you. You said you love you. I will kill you. I'll kill